Welcome to Holy Grail RN. Please subscribe the channel for the latest videos. Let's start the topic. So today's topic of discussion is phenomena that can be seen in diabetic patients. It may be due to the levels of insulin. So very interesting topic. Firstly, we will discuss about the Smoggy effect, or we can say Smoggy phenomena. So what happens in this phenomena? Suppose there is a patient having diabetes and during bedtime. So during bedtime, when we check the blood glucose level of the patient, there is normal range nearby 110 to 120. That is the normal range. Okay, but during midnight, or we can say about 2 to 3 a.m., there is hypoglycemia to the patient. So here is hypoglycemia occurs to the patient because patient is going to hypoglycemic stage. So what happens? Hypoglycemic stage means there is decreasing blood glucose levels. Because of this, body causes increase in the production of counter regulatory hormones. So because of counter regulatory mechanism, blood glucose will be rise. So nearby 7 a.m., or we can say in the morning, patient will go into hyperglycemic stage. So this indicates the hyperglycemic stage in the morning. So that's all about the Smoggy effect. That is, normal blood glucose levels are present at bedtime, but hypoglycemia occurs at 2 to 3 a.m., which causes production of counter-regulatory hormones that results hyperglycemia in the morning to the patient. So we can remember the Smoggy effect from here. So mo means this is caused by so much. This is result by so much level of insulin, that is high. If we are giving the high dose of insulin to the patient, then Smoggy effect will result. So treatment includes a decrease in client's insulin dose or increase in bedtime snack or both. So that's all about the Smoggy effect, or we can say Smoggy phenomena. Nextly, we will discuss about dawn phenomena or dawn effect. So it is characterized by hyperglycemia upon morning awakening. That is, during bedtime, the patient having normal blood glucose level, but during morning in the fasting, there is hyperglycemic condition or hyperglycemia stage to the patient. So dawn phenomena can we remember from by down, down or less, or if we are giving less dose of insulin to the patient, means dose of insulin therapy is improper. So treatment includes the increase in the client's insulin dose or change in the time of insulin administration to the patient. So here are the interpretations to remember both the phenomena, that is in the Smoggy effect and in the dawn effect. At the bedtime, blood glucose are normal, but in the Smoggy effect in the midnight, there is low levels of blood glucose, and in the dawn phenomena normal, but in both the phenomena during the fasting in the morning, blood glucose levels are high, that is blood patient is going to hyperglycemic condition. So that's all about the Smoggy phenomena and the dawn phenomena. Thank you.